Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So today I am very excited to introduce Ebay Kleinanzeigen Data Scraper. In this video, I will show you how you can use this bot to scrape the product's data from this website. So finally, when you get this zip file from me, extract it first into a simple folder, and after that just run this exe file. So this is our bot. Here are three main scraping options: scraping using keywords, using product links, or using the category or supplier links. So if you want to scrap products using keywords, for example, we search a keyword here like cups, and these are the results. If you type cups in this section, it will scrape these products. And if you want to scrap products from a specific category, then you can select a category, for example sports, and this is the listing. You have to just copy its link and use it in this section. It will then scrap all these products including all the pages. And once you put the link, just click the start button. Okay, it has opened the link and it is now scraping these products one by one. Okay, it is scraping the data, and you can count the number of rows by right clicking here. And some columns are disabled by default. We can enable them from the options here. And if you are going to scrap a large listing of products, then you can use this email notification system to stay updated on your email. And you can also download the images for each product. Let me show you. It will download the images in this folder by default. Here, it will name the images with the product ID number. And you can also specify the number of products to be scrapped for each category link, and can also export them separately. So let it scrap some products. You can see the time here. I'm going to pause the video for a while, and after that we will see the results and export this data into Excel file. Okay, it has scrapped around 102 records. Now we show you how to export this data. Click export button, specify your output location like my desktop, and choose your output format and export it. Okay, this is our exported data. Okay, so this is our bot. It's able to scrap thousands of products within a few hours. It can save a lot of time. So if you want to get this bot or have any other questions, you can ask. The contact details are provided in the description, and I am open to custom projects, so reach out if you need specific solutions or any type of web scraping or automation services. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video. Hope to see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.